Thank you for joining the Miles Ahead Financial Group video on demand training. Today we will go over how to navigate the Miles Ahead Financial Group training site. The first thing you will have to do is you will have to create a Gmail account. You simply can go to www.gmail.com and follow the process of setting up a new Gmail account. Once you set up that Gmail account, then you will be able to go access the training site by going over to the app vault, or as you see, it's called Google Apps. So you see how I'm logged in here? You'll be able to access the Google Apps, and to go to the site, which will be shared to you, you go to even more and it's going to populate in a different screen. And you'll want to scroll down on all the Google Maps and go down until you see sites. You're going to click on sites, and here you will have access to our training site. You'll want to click the Miles Ahead Financial Group. Don't pay attention to this one here. You all won't have access to that one. But you click on this one, and it's going to take you directly to the Miles Ahead Financial Group training website. Once you have created that email and you have went to the Google Apps to pull up the Google sites, the first thing you'll want to do is you'll want to go ahead and do an agent commitment form. This agent commitment form must be filled out by every agent. And this form is self-explanatory, but it's basically going to gauge us on how many enrollments you're trying to accomplish. It's going to let us be able to help you make sure you meet your goal. For instance, if you're trying to make $1,500 a month, we can tell you how many hours you may need to make. Go ahead and fill this out, and once you fill it out, click I agree and submit it, and that will be submitted to the offices of Miles Ahead Financial Group. After you do that particular form, you'll want to go ahead and start on your training. Okay, this right here is our Miles Ahead Financial Group training portal. You click on that portal, and as you can see, we have video on demand training. This little arrow here allows you to open it up and you can see all of the trainings. For example, each one of these links are pages where you have trainings. Okay, let's click on the Google. We have a Google training because we use a lot of Google apps throughout our company. So you have a video here explaining a few things that we do, and you also have a PowerPoint because there are some hyperlinks. Like if you see this is a hyperlink where it says tutorial and where it says the training site. All of these are hyperlinks. You can access all of these links by going to the PowerPoint. Let's go to ACA overview. ACA overview is just going to tell you what ACA is and everything that you already know, but just in case you have a question or so, here is the video explaining it, and you have again the PowerPoint. But let's go to, let's see, we'll go to one of the dialer training. Okay, so the dialer training, this video, right, this particular page has a video where we actually talk about the dialer script and why it works the way it works and how you should use it. You also have the full PowerPoint on the dialer training, and in this particular case, we actually have the dialer script where you can open this up and you can print it out, you can put it on your desk, you can have it readily in your hand, and so you're able to download it as well. So some will have scripts that you can go to as well. Okay, each one of these links has some very important information in it, and you'll want to go ahead and make sure you're comfortable with everything in it as we're fastly approaching the pre-enrollment season, and right behind that, of course, is November 1st. Okay, so right here we have the agent weekly status. If you go a little farther, your managers and team leads will be filling one of these out for you each week to make sure that you're on your goal and that you're headed towards what you originally wanted. Okay, let's talk about the links that we have. Here again, That's a Miles Ahead Financial Group website that we have. Here's the link to healthcare.gov. That's a very important link. A link to the CRM system where you put all your clients. That's another link. And then you're able to like us on Facebook. And here are some of the carrier links. So that is a quick overview over this particular the navigation of our Miles Ahead Financial Group training website. If you have any other questions, please make sure you contact your team leader manager. Thank you for joining.